Ordering your blind slats from Just Blinds couldn't really be easier. Okay, we'll just quickly sort of run through. You'll see on the main page here, we're on the main page. You can either obviously pick one from wherever you like, or you can go to the vertical blind slats menu at the top here. If you're not sure how to measure your blind slats, you may be better visiting this page here, measuring and fitting vertical blind slats. Okay, if you visit this page first, it shows you, obviously, there's a very simple photograph, just showing you where we need you to measure from on your existing blind slats. There's also videos as well on how to measure, and even videos on how to hang your blind slats. Okay, so if you want to visit that page first, just to get the information that you'll need, you'll see here vertical blind slats. You can choose from 3.5 inch, 5 inch, and our special offer blinds. If you've already got 3.5 inch, this refers to the width of the blind slat, by the way. If you've already got 3.5 inch, then you need to stick with 3.5 inch. Likewise, if you've got 5 inch slats, you need to stick with 5 inch slats. You can't interchange them. Okay, so let's assume you've got 3.5 inch blind slats, which is 89mm. Click through to that page. You'll see a range of blind slats that Just Blinds have. Pick one that suits yourself. For argument's sake, let's go for this lime green one here. So if we click into that, and you'll see that, we can zoom round and have a look at a close-up of the fabric. You'll see on our example that we give, let me just highlight this for you. You'll see that we've indicated if you're ordering blind slats for more than one window, because when we manufacture them, we bead them as well. We pre-weight them and we bead them at the bottom. And obviously we do these in batches. So if you're ordering, say, for argument's sake, 40 louvers for the bedroom, 54 louvers for the lounge, then please let us know in this size information box here, because we will bead 40 louvers together and 50 louvers together, and we'll also label them up lounge, bedroom, and so on if you are ordering a lot. Okay. The first thing you need to do, once you've measured your blind slats, okay, this little box here, less than 60 centimeters, which is 150. Less than 60 inches, which is 152 centimeters. If your blinds are less than that, leave it as it is. If your blind slats are greater than that, then obviously select the one underneath, because you'll see the price change there from £1.33 on this particular slat to £1.73 for the longer ones. Okay, so just for demonstration purposes, we're going to assume that we want 24 blind slats. Okay, 24 slats, and you don't need to use the @ sign if you like. You can just use a dash or whatever you want, but I'll use the @ sign. 24 slats at 48 inches. Okay. So you've given us the information that you're about to order 24 slats. This box here is just for size information, okay? It won't update your price, it won't update the quantity. You'll have to do that in a second. It may seem a little long-winded, but sadly, obviously, we're restricted by the software, obviously, that this shop runs. So you've given us our size information that you're about to order 24 slats at 48 inches. Your slats are less than 60 inches each, which is great. So let's go ahead, click the Add to Basket button. It'll add these to your shopping basket. Bear with me a second, it's just running a little bit slow. It doesn't normally do this. The shop must be busy at the moment. Okay, now this is the important bit here, quantity. Okay, I know you've just given us the 24 by 48 inches, but obviously that's just for our manufacturing purposes. So you can see the cost there is £1.33. So if you click 24 and enter your delivery method, so we want mainland England and Wales, and then update cart, you'll see it's changed the price, 24, which comes to £31.92. Okay, we can then click on checkout, and again it's just loading up. The shop's quite busy this time of day, so whilst we're making this video, you'll just have to bear with us, I'm afraid. It is quite busy at the moment. Okay, and this takes you to your checkout page. Now, I've just filled some details in here earlier. So, again, you'd put your first name in, you can put your surname in, you can put your postcode in and click look up, and it will look up your exact address. I mean, we've used a NatWest Bank here in St Helens just for demonstration purposes, and obviously a fake telephone number. You can click copy to shipping information, and it copies all your address information over to where we're actually going to deliver the blinds to. If you work all day or you're away, you want us to leave it at a neighbour's house or your mother's house, your brother's house, whichever, you can put this address in there as well. That's fine. Okay. Pay securely by card or PayPal. You don't need a PayPal account to use this. You can use your credit card, your debit card, or you can use PayPal. Okay, but it will process the payments for either. Or you can choose to telephone us to make a payment by card. It is more secure using, obviously, the automated service. However, if you do have any questions, please select telephone us to make a payment by card, and obviously you can just call this number here, 01744 833 938. That goes through to our dedicated internet helpline, and someone on the other end of the phone there will help you take your card payment details and also talk you through any queries that you may have. Okay, so literally we'll click this button here, PayPal, credit and debit cards, and that will take us through to the next screen. I do apologise about how slow this is running. It's not normally this slow, actually. As I say, we must be very busy today as I'm doing this. Either that or we're doing a data refresh on the shop. And there you go, it takes us through to the next page, which is the payment gateway. Okay, if you have a PayPal account already, you can click here. If you don't have a PayPal account, or you don't want to use your PayPal account, you just want to pay by card, then that's fine. Just click into this box here. Select what card it is you're using, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Maestro, Discover and so on. And literally the rest is straightforward. Once you've filled your details in, click continue and it'll take you to the payment process screen. And that's all there is to it. As I say, if there's any questions, please do use the phone number on the front screen and give us a call. We're here to help. Thank you.